Welcome to Apna tutorial. This is Akhand Singh and this is my new video lecture. In this video lecture, I will discuss more questions about area related to circle. Let's we start. The question number 2. The question number 1 we have discussed in the previous video. So here is a start from the question number 2. A horse is tied to a pole with 28-meter long string. Find the area where the horse can graze. So let's we draw the diagram. So this is a pole and this is the length of the string that is given in the question 28 meters, and here is the horse. Horse is grazing like that. This portion of area horse can graze, and this is circular area. The area is equal to pi r. So what is the given in the question? So given in the question, the length of string is equal to radius of area which horse can graze. So if the length of the string is L and the radius is capital R, then L is equal to R is equal to 28, and we know that the area of circle is equal to pi r square. So put the value. A is equal to pi is 22 by 7, R is 28 into 28 because of R square. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 4 ja. So value will be 22 into 4 into 28. So let's some rough work here. 22 into 28. 8 to the 16, 6, 1 carry. 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So it's become 6, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 carry, 4 1 5 plus again we multiplied by 4. 4 6 ja 24, 4 2 carry, and 4 1 ja 4 plus 2 6, and 6 4 ja. So the value will be 2464. So it's equal to 2464 meter square. So area will be 2464 meter square. Now the next question. In the next question, find the circumference of circle whose area is 301.84 centimeter square. So given in the question, area is equal to 301.84 centimeter square, and also it is a circle. So we know that the area of circle is equal to pi r square. And this is equal to, it is given in question 301.84. So if you get this equation, then it will be the value of pi is 22/7 into r square is equal to 301. If you remove decimal here, then it becomes 100 in division. So how to remove? Because we multiplied by 100 and divide by 100. So let's say here, look at here. So the value is 301.84, and if we multiply it by 100 and divide by 100, so this 100 remove the decimal from up to 2 place, so it's become 30184, and this 100 in just at the place. So that's why the value will come here. Now the r square is equal to, here 7 in division in left hand side and 22 it is in multiplication. If you this value comes to the right hand side, then it will be reverse. So 30184 upon 100 into 7 upon 22. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now 2 ones are 1 and its 1 is remaining. So 1 and 0 become 10, 2 5s are 10, and now comes to this 1, because it's alone, that's why we take 0 here, and it's become 18. So 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are, so the value will be 15092 upon 100 into 7 by 11. So now take a rough work here. We do a prime factorization method. So start from 2, because the ones place is 2, 2 7s are, and 2 5s are, and 2 4s are, 2 6s are. Now again by 2, because 6 is a ones place, so 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, it's become 15, 2 7s are 14, now 1 is remaining, 1 it's become 14, 2 7s are 14, and 2 3s are 6. Now it's will go from 7, so 7 5s are 35, 2 is remaining 27, and 7 3s are 21, and 27, so 6 is remaining, and 9s are 63. Now again 7 7s are 49, and it's remaining 4, it's become 49, 7 7s are, and again by 7, so it's become 1 and 1. Now from 1 and 1, it's, so you just put this value here. So 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7, this 7, and into 1. So 1 2 times 2 3 times 7, 2 times 2 3 times 7, and 11 upon 100 into 7 upon 11. So it's 11 will be cancelled. Now 2 to the 4 into 7 7s are 49, into 7 7s are 49. But here is a r square upon 100. Here is a r square. So if you remove r square from here, so it's become under root. Now the value will be 2 into 49 upon 10. So if you multiply here, 49 into 2, 9, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 4s are 18, plus 1 9. So it's become 9.8. Now find the circumference. So we know that the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So I put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So we put the value of 2 into 49 upon 10, not 9.8, because it's easy to solve this question. So 2 into 49 upon 10, 7 1 ja 7 and 7 7 ja 4. So we get 4 22 upon 10. Value will be into 7 also. So it's 28 into 22 on 10. So the value will be 616 upon 10. The answer will be 6 1 point. So this is a circumference. 28 into 22, you multiply, then we get 6 1. Now the next one is question number 4. Question number 4. The circumference of a circle exceeds the diameter by 16.8 centimeter. Find the circumference of. So here you have to find out the circumference of. And what is the given? So we know that the radius equal to, let radius is equal to r and diameter equal to 2, and the circumference is equal to diameter plus 16.8 centimeter, which is given the condition. So we put the value of circumference. We know that 2 pi r, and in the place of diameter the value is 2r plus 16.8. Take this value on left hand side, will become 2 pi r minus 2r equal to 16.8. 2r is common, pi minus 1 equal to 16 point. So 2r, the value of pi is 22 by 7 minus 1 equal to 16.8. 2r, 22 minus 7 upon 7 is equal to 16.8. Now 2r into, it will be 15. 22 minus 7 is 15 upon 7. It is equal to 16.8. R into 30 upon 7 equal to 16. R is equal to, this value goes to the right hand side and it will be in reverse times 16.8. 16.8 into 7 upon 30. So if you remove the decimal here, it will be 168 upon 10 into 7 upon 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15, 1 remaining, 1 and 8 18, 3 6 are 80. So it's become 56 into 7 upon. So take rough work here. 56 to 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 4 is carry. 7 5 is 35 plus 4 39. So the value will be 392 upon 100 and it will be 3.92. So this is a radius. Now here find circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the value of r? This value. So we put this value, not 3.92. 392 upon 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. What is the remaining as 4? 7 6 are 42. So it's 22 into 56 upon. So take rough work here. 56 to 22. Not take 22. Take 44. 6 4s are 24. 4 6 are 24. So 4 here, 2 carry. Again 4 5s are 20. It's plus 2. So again is 2 4. That's why we just the value we got. Okay. So now add this value 4 6 4 2. So the value will be 2464 upon 100 and it is equal to 24.64 centimeter. So 24.64 centimeter, this is the. So up to here, thank you, and the next video we cover more questions. Thank you for watching.